On today's Maker Mashup, a giveaway. Okay, so today I'm talking about a holiday giveaway. Now, this holiday giveaway is just simply my way of doing a thank you to the community at large. You guys watch my videos. I have so many comments from people in the Discord, and we really had an outstanding year. I personally replied, YouTube told me, over 600 comments over the course of the year, which comes out to a couple of days, but 600 comments of viewers like yourselves spending time watching the channel and really participating in it. And for that, I wanted to be able to say thank you guys and girls, all of you, for watching the channel and supporting Maker's Mashup over 2020, which we know was a hard year for everyone. So with that, I am doing a giveaway. You can win yourself a resin 3D printer. I purchased it and I want to give it away to somebody. All the people that have supported the X301 and all of the Layer Fuse projects, there's gift cards from the Layer Fuse store available, and also we're giving away some filament too. So a little bit of something for just about everyone for watching the channel and being subscribers to Maker's Mashup. So that's all there is to it. The links are all down in the description below. You can go ahead and put one entry in or 1,000. It's really up to you. It is just simply a way for you to get something back, or at least a chance to get something back from watching the channel. And I want to thank everybody, especially my patrons. So many of you have contributed and supported not just Maker's Mashup, but Layer Fuse as a whole. So this is my way of just trying to give back a little bit, so that way everyone can take a chance to participate in winning something out of this contest. So thank you all for your support in Maker's Mashup and over the last year. So with all that said, all of you, let's get to work.